Hello, everybody. This is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I'll be reacting to another Betty Boop cartoon. This one is going to be Betty Boop's Ker-Choo from 1933. So, yeah, let's get into it.
Betty Boop can do
Oh,
like
yeah.
saxophone can go.
Yep, but it can't. What can it do?
Saxophone can't
Right,
like
they
Betty
cannot.
Boop can do.
No, it cannot.
Little Miss would never
Oh,
miss
yeah.
a chance for vocal tuning.
Oh,
and
yeah.
anytime and anywhere you can hear
Nice.
this lady crooning.
Yes, you
An
can.
auto horn can go.
Yes, but still not better
But
than
an
Betty
auto
Boop.
horn can
It cannot do that. Betty Boop can do, yeah.
made of pen and ink. She can win you with
Oh,
a wink. Ain't
shout out to
she
Betty Boop. Boop, boop, boop. Nice. Oh, yeah. Hey, the racers. Ah, look at that. Even the words are over here. Run out. They're out of here. They're out. Right off to the races. And they come back here, right? The flag was like, come back here, you jerks. Ah, look at that. What is that? He's giving them the same ticket, I feel like. Right, because he's over here giving them the ticket. They're throwing the ticket in there. I mean, it's the same ticket, sir. What is the reason for that? There's no reason for that. It's free entry then to the grandstand. Let's go. Ah, there you go. There you go. He's naked now. Okay, okay. Okay, at least everybody has their clothes on. Okay. Well, that's very an effective way to get people in the stands, I guess. Okay, there you go. Oh, yeah, that was the last one. Okay. Look at the cars. What is this? Of course they're alive. Okay, what is a lot of horns? Oh, look at, they can't even hear. Why are they the judges? Come on. Hey, Bimbo and Koko. Ah, the cars are walking on their own. Betty Boop. We want Betty Boop. Hey, Betty Boop. Ah, last one. There you go. There's nobody in there, though.
Where's your driver?
Right.
Yeah, as I should know.
As I should know. Hey, yeah, you're the car. Why are you talking? Betty Boop as the driver. He's coming in with style. That's how you make an drive. You stop it, you jerk. Don't be mad at Betty Boop.
As usual.
And yeah.
Why
You
are you
start.
late?
Yeah, you stop. And yeah. Why do you have so many watches, sir?
Got a coat? I know.
Oh, she got a coat. Okay, that's a good excuse.
Awfully bad.
Okay. And even when she's sick, she doesn't look bad. You stop it, sir. Okay. Okay. Oh, your overcoat. Look at that. That's true. Ah, look at that. Ah, you have diapers. What are you doing? Put on some pants. Hey, cover it with your beards. We can still see your diapers. Oh, shout out to Betty Boop. Ooh.
I don't mind these.
Hey.
All I do is
Oh.
just invest these.
Oh. Yes, you do. Yeah. Even a song about being sick, she makes it sound good.
I thought it told you about
Ah, look at the car. You're a car. How are you sick? Get out of here.
I did go.
Okay.
He said yes, but
Okay.
I said no.
But you said no.
I gotta tell
Look
you
at
I
him.
don't.
Sorry, no, don't hold the gun like that. I don't like. Okay. 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 Also, you have a big butt. Ah, sir, come on with your big butt. Ah, you cannot. So what is this? Your butt. Now it's your chest. What is that? Hey, look at this. The giraffe. Yeah, you can't see. You're in our way, buddy. Ah, that's better. Shout out to you, sir. Oh my God, you're gonna take the whole spot. Ah, how dare you, man? I would be mad too. I'd be mad if I was that guy. How dare you make me fall in the spittoon? That is disgusting.
I'm still here, but the doctor died.
Okay. Oh, the doctor died. Oh, the doctor, there you go. They're alive. Those guys are alive. Oh, achoo, nice. Get them cars are alive. I knew they were alive. Get them you stop it. Let's go. Ah, so get out of the way, you jerk. There's Koko, Bimbo. Okay, where's Betty? There's Betty Boop. Jump over that. Ah, Betty Boop's gonna win. Shout out to Betty Boop. All right. Betty Boop. Boom, yeah. I stop it. The neck is twisting, sir. You stop that. What are you doing, sir? You're a jerk. You stop that. What are you doing? What are you doing, sir? You don't have to do that. Oh, what is this? You know what? I should expect these things from these Betty Boop cartoons. But like what? What is the reason for this? There's a cat in there blowing smoke. What? He's blowing the smoke out of the exhaust. And Bimbo doesn't even fit in the seat. He's gonna burn your butt, Bimbo. Be careful. Ah, that's Betty Boop. Okay. All right. Ah, the cat. Oh, sir, you can't see. Oh, he's mad. He's mad. What is it? What is it? Oh, what is that? Oh, what? How are you seeing? Oh, what? 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 Did he send his fleas on that guy's head? Why, sir? Look, there's an empty spot right here. Look at that. Oh, I shot at the Betty Boop. Hey, all right. Let's go! Try Betty Boop's gonna win this thing! You jerk off there! Only Betty Boop can do that! You're gonna touch him down! Oh no! Oh, they're stacked on each other! You guys are out! You guys are out! Oh, well, that guy's out! Why not do that? Right, your car's upside down. Just move the tires down and we're good. Okay. Oh, you got 4 flats, Koko. Oh, he's just using his feet now. What is this? The Flintstones. Okay. Let's go. Let's go, Betty Boop. Let's go. What is that? You're gonna get choked out, sir. Look at that. He's carrying his car too. Bimbo. I mean, Koko. Oh, Gesundheit. Oh, achoo. That's how she got rid of all the competition. Now who's gonna win? Betty. Betty. Right, that's the winner. Yeah. Yeah, hooray, hooray. Yeah. Hooray for Betty. Hooray for Betty. Yeah.
Will you say something for the
Say something. Say something. Why?
I got a toad in my nose.
Oh, you got a toad in your nose.
I got a toad in my nose.
Yeah. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Gesundheit. Everybody says, you popped on the whole state. They popped on the stands. All right, so whatever Betty Boop does, that's what they're gonna do. That's true. Like, right, so I can see if Betty Boop is sick, everybody wants to be sick, right? Okay. All right. I mean, yeah, you really don't want to be sick, right? Betty Boop sick, but not by choice, right? You know. But yeah, that was definitely a great one. Definitely a great Betty Boop cartoon. And yeah, I just really enjoyed that a lot for sure. Shout out to Betty Boop. Another great cartoon. Another great one. None of these, all of these early Betty Boop cartoons are just so good. There is a lot of like just random things like what, right? It just makes me say like what, why? I mean, whatever, right? But they're very good. They're very good for sure. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.